was teaching you a few things, mate. Hustle, hustle. Come on, fast. I've got bills to pay, mate. Far out. Frank, are you in there? Open up. How many times do you want to go to the toilet?
Cut myself.
Cut yourself? So what do you want, a Band-Aid? Welcome to the job, buddy. No insurance here. Yeah, I know. It's meant to be $2,000, but it's not. It's actually $26,000.
I'm done.
Wait. 26,000.
Excuse me.
Wait. Told you 26 grand. What's it? Where are you going?
I have to go pray.
Pray what?
Juma.
What's Juma? Go. Don't come back. Don't come back. I told you, don't come back. This is what I want you to do. You need to go up on the roof and make sure the plumber has plugged it up. I want no leakage. Do you understand?
I even have a license.
What do you mean? I don't care if you have no license. Get up. Yeah, mate, who are you?
I'm the architect here. I still haven't been paid.
Yeah, what do you want to do about it?
It's been 25 days. I still haven't been paid.
Email me, mate. Too busy. Bye. I've got 3 weeks to close this site off and give it back to the client, and you guys are wasting my time. Time is money. Mate, just get up. Do what you're told. Far out. Time is money. Time is money. I need you to hurry up. Hurry up, man, quicker. Does this look straight to you?
Yeah.
You look straight, doesn't it? Look closer. Look closer. Good interview, you idiot. Snip it.
I can't do this.
Snip it!
I know how to.
Snip it!
It's been 3 months, man.
Get out of here.
Get. Hate me.
I don't care. Go away. What are you doing here?
Taking a break.
What do you mean taking a break?
It's been 5 minutes.
I don't care if it's been 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough. Off to work, man. Come on. Craig, we need to get rid of these people, man. I'm telling you now. Just to recap on today's performance, I wasn't happy with it. But I got some good news and I got some bad news. Now, the good news is you get to stay back an extra hour, and the bad news is you don't get paid for it.
Sack this. I'm out.
Okay, see you later. I'll find another one on Gumtree. Bye-bye. Toodaloo. Where are you going? Hey, I'm joking, man. Man, where are you guys going? I'm sorry, man. I'm not meant to be talking to you like that, but trust me, I'm under pressure. Guys, just come back. I'm going to lose the contract. Please. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.